let me take you through the first images that came in today, and it was a very strong one. While India is in conflict with Pakistan, and Pakistan boasting that they have targeted some of major military installations in India, including the Adampur Air Base. Prime Minister Modi's visit today was really telling. It was a message sent out. In fact, he stood there with the armed forces, waving the flag, almost snubbing Pakistan and debunking all the lies that they've spewed about targeting Indian airbase in Adampur. Prime Minister Modi's surprise visit there this morning was certainly symbolic. It was a visual rebuttal for Pakistan indeed, and busting their biggest lie. Standing tall among the warriors, we saw Prime Minister Modi there waving the flag and also the MiG-29 jet. He was seen waving with that MiG-29 jet there, and an undamaged S-400 air defense system that was right behind him. That one frame, in fact, dismantled Pakistan's entire claim that it had destroyed India's top-tier air defense at Adampur. It was more than a photo op, certainly. It was a clear masterclass by Prime Minister Modi in fact-checking what Pakistan has said in the last few days. India's defenses entirely intact, and its leadership, of course, as we see here, unshaken. This surprise visit has come just a day after Prime Minister had warned Pakistan that India had only hit the pause button on Operation Sindoor. And of course, the operation at this point is on high alert. Any push or aggression by Pakistan, they will see their fate. It's just a momentary pause. That's what the Prime Minister had said. And these images that came in from earlier today also spoke extensively about how strong the Indian military, our army is right now, how collected and united they stand, and are stronger than ever to face the terror state. Now, desperate and defeated, Pakistan has turned this entire misinformation, releasing videos and false narratives, claiming that a satellite image that they've shown, basically trying to show that the S-400 site has been destroyed in India. Well, clearly, this has debunked that. In fact, Adampur, as we know, isn't just an airbase. It's India's second largest strategic jewel, from where the MiG-29s and the Su-30s guard the skies over Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. So for those who may not know, in fact, in 1965, Adampur held strong against enemy fire, and in 2025, it's the same Adampur Air Base that's holding strong against the enemy's lies. A very significant air base here, and Prime Minister walking the tarmac was a loud message.
जब हमारी बहनों, बेटियों का सिंदूर छीना गया, तो हमने आतंकियों के फन को उनके घर में घुस के कुचल दी। आतंक के आकाओं को अब समझ आ गया है, भारत की ओर नजर उठाने का एक ही अंजाम होगा, तबाही। पाकिस्तानी फौज को भी बता दिया है, पाकिस्तान में ऐसा कोई ठिकाना नहीं है जहां बैठकर आतंकवादी चैन की सांस ले सके।